Welcome to our tutorial on using Suno AI. Today, we'll explore how to turn your voice into an amazing song. Let's start by setting up your Suno AI account. Visit their website and follow these simple steps to create your account. To capture the best vocal quality, make sure to record in a quiet space and use a good microphone for the ultimate sound. Now, let's explore the Suno AI platform. Here's a walkthrough of its main features. Choosing the right genre for your song is crucial. Pick one that complements your vocal style. Now it's time to input your lyrics. Just type them in and edit as you go along. Customize your melody and harmony settings to match your lyrics and vocal style for a beautiful blend. Let's listen to your song. Use the preview feature to refine your track until it's just right. Once you're satisfied with your song, export it and share it with your friends. And there you have it. Experiment with Suno AI, and let your creativity shine through your music.